The Senate, in the Committee of the Whole, considered the request of Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the consideration and screening of Professor Joash Ojo Amupitan San for appointment as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The nominee answered questions from distinguished senators and also took away some of the questions as working documents in respect of electoral matters and other topical issues. Thereafter, the Senate approved the nomination of Professor Joash Ojo Amupitan, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, for appointment as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Professor Joash Ojo Amupitan, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, for appointment as the Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission? Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Professor Joash Ojo Amupitan, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, is hereby confirmed as the Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission. So let me thank distinguished senators for the painstaking manner in which they handled this as Committee of the Whole, because of the need for speed, and to say that this was very orderly and well done, and I believe strongly that your questions and your comportment met the aspirations of all Nigerians. I also want to congratulate the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for presenting a nominee that had no single dissecting voice and has been unanimously approved and unanimously confirmed by all and sundry in the Federal Republic of Nigeria through their representatives. I wish Professor Amupitan well and pray that his services will improve the electoral process, lead to more transparency, and ensure that every vote counts, and that the winners are truly the ones that are announced. I also want to congratulate the people of the workers and staff of INEC for having a man that is most likely going to bring about changes in order to improve our electoral process. All hands must be on deck for Nigeria to have a better image in all electoral processes. We all have our roles to play. And many of us have been victims of electoral malpractices in the past. That is why we were able to ask the right questions. And we hope that he has a lot of takeaways to assist him in the work that he will do. And one of the things that bother us, and he tends to also agree with us, is the issue of the local government elections. This winner carries it all. If you are in a state that is run by a governor of a certain political party, he can even abandon his political party and get nominees from another political party, and when the results are announced, it becomes carry-go. That cannot improve the electoral process. So I want to charge the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the National Assembly as a whole to find a solution so we can have a more transparent local government elections. And in any case, now that we have all agreed that there must be independence, financial independence for local governments, it's also important that we have electoral independence for the local government administrators, so that those who truly win elections, the grassroots will be happy that those are the people administering their funds, which are meant for them. I think that is a challenge to the 10th National Assembly of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, working in tandem with the new INEC national chairman. I know that with the grace of Almighty God, we shall succeed in cleaning that aspect so that Nigeria will have a better image. So congratulations to all. I wish them well. Now, before I hand over to